welcome to a new vlog. I know I look a bit crazy right now. I'll let you know what's happening in a minute. But yeah, welcome to a new vlog. It is Monday the 3rd of May. It's actually 2 p.m. right now. But I've just got done finishing filming and cleaning my makeup room after I filmed. But I filmed this, so I'm actually trying out She Glam, which is Shein's makeup brand, and She Glam has been, you know, in the US and stuff for a few months now, but finally came to Australia. This is what it's looking like right now. So I am doing like a wear test as well. So yeah, that's what it's looking like. The gloss has worn off now. I haven't really been doing too much. I've just cleaned my makeup room because obviously I just filmed, and when you film it becomes a massive mess. And I'm about to sit down, have some lunch, but I thought I'd show you. I've just started going through my drawers. So let me turn you around. So it's actually my kitchen drawers, and I forgot to get a before picture, but this is the one I've already done. So I went through the cutlery drawer and I just like cleaned out all these little bits in here. There's a lot of staining. This is a rental, so it's not us, but I've tried scrubbing it and yeah, it won't come off, but all looks nice and tidy again. So I really want to get this one done. This is like our junk drawer, kitchen drawer. Like it has everything. It's got candles, it's got straws, it's got freaking, what are these things called? Put them on your jars and stuff to keep them protected. It's got the little clips for your chips. It's got measuring cups, bamboo sticks. It's got everything. I need to sort this one out. This one is pretty good, but I think I'll give it a clean out as well. And this one needs a clean out too. So that's the before. I will show you the after once I've gone through it. Hey guys, so I finished my drawers now. So we already saw the top one. Then my messy one is now looking like this. I've put like all my baking sort of stuff in here. My long things are back here. These are for my coffee machine to cover jars. I've got all of my little measuring cups, the little things to close up chips and stuff, some little funnel sort of things, some other Tupperware, my hand grater, my garlic press, my tin drainer, etc. So it looks really good now. And then for the third drawer, I have got my sandwich bags that we're using, got Glad wrap, alfoil and baking paper. I have spare Glad wrap and spare full Glad wrap down there. Got my bamboo sticks and my straws and my scales. And then the last one I really didn't do too much on, but all nice and done now. These are closed ones. And then bin bags at the front. So that is my drawers done. I am sitting down, by the way. I didn't want to be bending over for that long. But yeah, those 4 drawers are done now, so that feels good. It is, I think, 5:15 now, so I think I'm going to just sit down and chill out. My vlog just went live. So I might check some comments from that. Hey guys, quick check-in. It is the 4th of May, Tuesday, and it is 9 a.m. right now. I'm just in my office working. I'm working Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday this week because Monday was a public holiday for my head office. So the company is based in like Queensland, and I work virtually from home in Western Australia. So yeah, I didn't like get the paid day off. I got the day off because the office was closed, but then I just make up my day on Wednesday instead of having my Wednesday off. So yeah, working for the next 3 days. I'm just trying out the She Glam makeup again. I wanted to try the foundation and concealer with my primer and my setting powder and setting spray. So I've done that. I've just got the She Glam mascara on again as well. I used both ends this time. If you haven't watched that video, I'll link it above for you. But yeah, it definitely does better when it's both ends. It's still not my favorite though. And trying to take the mascara off last night was almost impossible. Hey guys, random question, but I want to know, what is something that you have done that has made you think, how the hell am I adulting? I have just done something so stupid. Well, I have actually been doing it for about probably 18 months now. We got this air fryer from a friend about 18 months ago. We have been using it quite a bit. Here's my trusty air fryer. Now, I have been wanting to clean it for so long now. I've been able to clean like the cage part. So I've been able to clean like this part. It's hot at the moment because I've just made sure that it's all still good. I've been able to clean this part. I can't get it spotless. I think I'm going to try some magic erasers and see if I can get all of that on the outside off. But I've been able to clean this part, not the rest of the air fryer. That part there. Everyone keeps telling me there is a button that you need to press somewhere so that you can pick the whole thing up. No, my air fryer isn't like that. You have to actually pick up the whole thing from the outside. It's hot, so I can't. Let me just put a glove on. Okay, so you lift it up. This is really hard with one hand. Let me take the basket off. Okay, so you lift it up and out. For 18 months, I have been struggling to clean this thing because I didn't know how to get it out. I've been like scrubbing it whilst it's in the air fryer. Like this is as far as it goes. Now it is spotless because I've actually been able to get it out and clean. And that, ladies and gentlemen, makes me wonder, how the hell do I adult? It was so simple. Hey guys, quick check-in. It is the 5th of May right now. It is Wednesday. It's currently 1 p.m. I am just working, so nothing really to check in on. You want to come say hello, mate? You can say hello? You say hello. You say hi, YouTube. Hi, YouTube. You're so beautiful, aren't you, monkey? Where's Evie? Where's Evie? Now look in my face, please. So, yeah, I just thought I would quickly let you know that I got the free gifted products today that I spoke about in last week's vlog, so I'm super excited to play with them. That won't come out until probably the end of May. I have been talking dates with them. So yeah, I think it's going to be the last week of May. It's going to be posted on my Instagram, but I think I will do a short video as well on here, just for the ones that don't go on Instagram, and then on Instagram for the ones that don't go on YouTube. So super excited about that. Hey guys, so it is actually Friday, 7th of May. It is 9:38 p.m. right now. I pretty much haven't vlogged at all for the last 2 days. I apologize. I had a write-off of a day yesterday. It was the worst I've been in quite a long time. I was in a lot of pain. I was quite nauseous. So I did work. I worked through my pain. I mean, at one point Morgan walked into my office and found me on my floor because it was the only way that I could breathe and be comfortable. But yeah, I basically had a write-off and I didn't sleep Wednesday night, so that didn't help. And then today has been like a non-stop busy day. By the way, if you want to see a tutorial of this eye look, let me know down below, because I haven't actually done it, but I was just practicing for engagement party I'm going to next weekend. I'm the maid of honor for the bride, so yeah, I'm gonna do this look for the engagement party next weekend, I think. And I filmed my Lumi box unboxing today, so yeah, I did this look for that. But yeah, today's been quite busy. We had to take Morgan's car for a service. We take his car all the way to Midland, so it's like an hour away from us, and well, depending on the traffic, like 40 minutes to an hour, sometimes even like longer. We normally would make a day of it and like go and like maybe to movies, or you know, movies and lunch and stuff, and walk around the shops and everything, but with the last few weeks, the way that it's been, like being community cases and stuff, I was a bit anxious. I didn't want to stay in Midland, so I drove in my car, Morgan drove in his car and dropped his car off. Then we drove home, which was like 2.5 hours of driving. We did stop at his job site on the way home. He needed to do a few things there. And then I filmed my Lumi box unboxing today with the electrician here starting to fix or run power for the pool pump. And then we were basically home for like 2 hours, or probably not even 2 hours, I don't think, because I had to shower and wash my hair and everything as well so I could film. And then Morgan's car was ready. So yeah, then we had to drive back and then drive home, and coming home was terrible. So much traffic and like, it took forever. And then we had a barbecue dinner tonight. We invited Morgan's mum over, so we had a barbecue with her tonight outside. It's freezing cold right now. That's why I'm like shivering now. Probably sound weird as well. Hey guys, quick check-in. I don't think I've done anything for today's vlog. I apologize. I am doing a wear test for Lumi. I've just filmed the last of it. It was almost 8 hours, so this is what my face is looking like after an 8-hour wear test. I went shopping today with the mother-in-law. We had lunch out, so yeah, that was pretty good. If you want to see the results of the Lumi, make sure you check out that video. It will be posted this week. Hey guys, a quick check-in. I look terrible, I apologize, but I just wanted to film an outro for this week's vlog. We really haven't done too much today. It is Sunday, so we have been relaxing. Did go to the dog park though, so I'll add in some footage from that, or you would have already seen it. So I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. I'm sorry that it wasn't very interesting. Hopefully next week is better. We are back out of lockdown and no more masks, unless we're going to like an event with like 1,000 people. And I think it's also the stadiums here as well, and hospitals and like elderly aged care facilities. So yeah, I'll start heading back out again. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family, hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And don't forget, 1,000 subscribers and this guy does my makeup. He's not very happy about it, is he? So as always, thanks for watching guys. Bye!